What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. What we're going to be going through today is a 2-minute video of a new series that I do called 2-Minute Tuesdays, and what we're going to do is find the best free stock images in just under 2 minutes. So we're going to head over to the computer and I'm going to put 2 minutes on the clock and we're going to get to going with this video. Let's do it. So what we're going to do is I'm just on Wikipedia's hobby page, and what we're going to do is look into any niche and pick a few random things to find some stock images. So the first one that stands out to me is fish keeping. What we're going to do is go to Google, we're going to type in fish keeping pictures or whatever it may be. Yeah, so whatever niche you're in, you're going to go straight into that. So as we head over to images, we can see a bunch of different fish keeping images, and what we're going to do is user rights labeled for reuse, and this is going to allow us to find some. So the first one that stands out to me is Pixabay, and I know that's a free site because I've used it before. So that's pixabay.com, and all we're going to do is put that into our notes. So we've got Pixabay, and that's the first site. So we've got fishes here. Yeah, tons of fish, free fish pictures and images. Then we've got Pickist. Okay, so Pickist, so we're going to open it and see how good this site is. So that's another free site. So let's have a look. Fish, and there we go, we've got tons of free images there. And then all you want to do is always make sure it's labeled for reuse, because this brings up the free images. We've got pixhair.com, so that's another one. Okay, fishes. If we type fishes, we can see a bunch of different images. And now we're going to pick a different niche. So if we go into a different one, we can see that there's cooking. Okay, so let's find cooking images. So we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to put cooking into the search tab. So cooking images. Okay, then labeled for use is already set. We've got flickr.com. That's definitely a very good one, because I've actually used this before, flickr.com. And then we've got another one here, which is needpics.com. Same kind of thing again. Let's have a look if this is actually free images. Fish, let's try fish in this one and see what happens. Not as good. So I wouldn't really say this is one of the best ones. So I'd probably give this one a skip, to be honest. But let's have a look. Pexels is a very good one. I actually used that already, so we can add that in. Pexels. pxfuel.com. Let's have a look what that's about. Okay, so that looks similar to the other one. A lot of them are just using the same kind of interface, and we've got more there. So we've got pxfuel, and you just keep repeating this until you find tons and tons of free stock images. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed that video. That's 2 minutes. I think I've done it in way less than that. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to smash the like button so this video gets shared out by the algorithm. If you are new, then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.